Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be sharing how to make this flare top with a slit at the back. It is a high-low top. To get started, this is the fabric of choice that I use. It is a lightweight fabric. It's more like chiffon, but it's not exactly chiffon. That's more weight than chiffon. I also have this basic bodice pattern. You can do this without your pattern actually, but I just want this to serve as a guide for me when I'm cutting. I've got my other tailoring tools that I'll be needing for this sewing project. Now let's jump into this tutorial. Because of the kind of style that I want to cut, it is best for me to cut on the floor, hence I'm on the floor. So I'm going over to fold my fabric on the bias grain. For those who do not know, a bias grain means you're folding your fabric in the form of a triangle. And I'm placing my pattern on it. Now this pattern saved me a lot of stress because it allowed me to conserve my fabric and just fold as much as I need. After I have gotten my desired fold, I'm going over to mark the length of my blouse. Bear in mind that this is the front that I am working on. So I'm pinning my pattern down, then I would mark the length of the front. And I'm going for a length of about 27 inches. After that, I would be rolling it down along the sides. Now you can open up your sides as much as you want the blouse to be free. Once that is done, I'll proceed to cut this out. This is what my front looks like. I am going to be using the front to also cut the back. I've also gone ahead to fold my fabric on the bias grain for the back, and this was the best way for me to place the front on the back in order to get what I want. So first of all, I have marked 1 inch for my zipper allowance. Next, I'm going to be marking the length of the back extension, how long I want the back to be longer than the front, and I'm going for a length of about 11 inches. Next up, I would be creating a curve from the center back that would end at the side back. After that, I would cut this out. Also, I will be splitting the back pattern into two along the center back. Then I would be trimming off the neckline for the front. For the front neckline, I'm going for a neck depth of about 3 inches. This is what my back fabric piece is looking like. And this is what the front fabric piece is looking like. It is now time to begin sewing. To get started with the sewing, the first thing I will do is to turn the neckline, and I'm using this navy blue bias tape to turn the neckline. I will be turning the neckline of both the front and the back. I'm done sewing the neckline as I illustrated, and this is what I've got. I also give this a really good press. Now to proceed, I will be moving ahead with the back. What I'll do is to place right sides against each other. I would leave the length, the space for the zipper I'm going to be fixing. So I'm fixing a short zip here. I'm going to be sewing this down up until where I want the slit at the back to start from. So that will be somewhere maybe 2 inches below the waistline. This is what my back looks like. I have fixed the zip, and this is the slit I'm going to be leaving. For this slit, I'm going to be ironing in a hemming tape just to secure that and make it look neat. To move on, I will be joining both the front and the back together. I'll place right sides against each other, join it along the shoulder, and also join it along the sides. So guys, I am done sewing as I illustrated. I have also turned the hem so that that piece can look neat. For this blouse, I'll be using a simple basic sleeve, so I'll just go ahead and join the sleeve to my blouse, and this is what it looks like on my clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.